This video is going to be about spray oil and taking it away from the scale. I'm going to be cooking some zucchini noodles here that I'm going to be throwing in this hot pan, and I need to spray a little bit of oil into this pan, and I want to know how much I'm using. But even though this label says 0.25 grams, which is whatever, it says it's worth nothing. But I know that this says canola oil, and canola oil has calories, pretty much fat. It does. And then I also look at what's the ingredients say. Canola oil and some other stuff. It's canola oil. It's not like a chemical that's made to be like canola oil. It is in fact canola oil. So what that means is you can't trust this label. We still have to count every gram. 1 gram is worth 9 calories. So we need to make sure that we know how much we're using. Okay? So in order to do a takeaway, I'm just going to put the can on the scale and get the current weight, and then I'm going to spray how much I'm going to use, and then I'm going to weigh it again. So here's my can, current weight. That says 188, just making sure. 188. All right, so I'm going to go over here and spray. Here we go. That should be enough. So 188, 186. So I used 2 grams of oil. All right. So I'm going to go into my Macros Plus now. Whoops. Okay, I don't know where my own stuff is. All right. And even though I'm about to log olive oil, that's because canola oil and olive oil have the same content. I'm just going to log olive oil, and I'm also going to use what's already existing in here, which is 1 milliliter. Because quite honestly, the milliliters and grams are so close that you can use them interchangeably. So it's all right. In fact, I'll even turn the camera back on, and we will look at when I change it to mils. 186. That's milliliter. That's gram. So you can see. All right. I'm logging 2 mils of olive oil. So I've got 1.9 grams of fat and 17 calories. So that's how you do a takeaway. And I'm logging my oil. So if you're spraying, last little bit here, if you're really spraying it down, it's not free.